Your backpack might be hiding the biggest school secret ever, and one tiny mistake before the first day of school could make your whole morning feel like a race. But wait, what if one simple trick could actually make school easier before you even walk into class?
Most kids think the first day of school starts when the bell rings, but they're wrong. It actually starts the night before, and that's where our first mystery begins.
Imagine opening your backpack at school. No pencil, no homework, no lunch. Yikes! One of the best back-to-school tips for kids is using a simple checklist before bedtime. It only takes about 2 minutes, but it can save your whole morning.
But here's something even stranger. Did you know your brain becomes a memory-building machine while you sleep? Scientists have discovered that while you're sleeping, your brain helps organize what you learn during the day. That's why getting enough sleep before school helps you remember more and pay better attention in class.
A sleepy brain is like trying to run with shoes made of marshmallows. You can do it, but it's definitely harder.
Want to know one of the biggest secrets to school success? Don't let the morning boss you around. Lay out your clothes the night before. Pack your backpack. Set your alarm. When everything is ready, your morning feels calm instead of rushed.
But what if you're wondering, how do I make friends on the first day of school? Here's the secret. You don't have to be the funniest kid or know everyone already. Just smile, introduce yourself, and ask, "Wanna play?" Those 3 little words have started thousands of great friendships.
And no, you don't have to bring a pet dinosaur to school to make new friends. Although, that would definitely make recess interesting.
Here's another mystery. Why do some kids seem to finish homework so much faster? They have a plan. Try doing your homework at the same time each day. Keep your pencils, paper, and supplies nearby. When everything is ready, your brain spends more time learning and less time looking for missing crayons.
Most people think organized kids are just lucky. They're not. They simply put papers where they belong right away. Every folder has a job. Every notebook has a place. Staying organized means you spend less time searching and more time learning.
Now it's time for the biggest secret of all. Do you know what almost every successful student has in common? It isn't having the coolest backpack. It isn't wearing brand new shoes. It isn't getting every answer right.
The real secret is they keep trying. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every question helps your brain grow. Every school day is another chance to become smarter, kinder, and more confident.
So before your next school day, remember to pack your backpack the night before. Get plenty of sleep, follow your morning routine, stay organized, and always be kind to others.
Because curious kids become confident learners, and confident learners can do amazing things.
If you thought those back-to-school tips were surprising, just wait until you see what we discover next.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another amazing adventure with Fresberg Cartoon.
Stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.